Let's also talk about the RJD leader here in the case, where he is now questioning and taking on the Nitish Kumar, putting the spotlight on falling bridges. Yes, Meenakshi.
Without much ado, let's take our viewers through this tweet which has been put out by Tejasvi Yadav. Tejasvi Yadav says, it's a Hindi quote, he says, बधाई हो बिहार में डबल इंजन सरकार की डबल ताकत की मेहनत से 9 दिन में केवल मात्र 5 पुल ही गिरे हैं. Obviously taking a jibe at the double engine government, that's the NDA government in Bihar, and obviously at the center, saying that 9 bridges have fallen or collapsed, rather 5 bridges have collapsed in 9 days in Bihar. Then he goes on to attack both the Prime Minister and Nitish Kumar in the remaining tweet, saying that this is the result of the double engine NDA government, that the people of Bihar are suffering. He goes on to call this pull or this bridge a pull of Bhrashtachar, a pull or rather a bridge of corruption. So that's the jibe which Tejasvi Yadav is taking at Nitish Kumar and obviously the NDA government. And what he has done also, he has put out 5 visuals of 5 different bridges which have fallen, and he says they've fallen in the last 9 days. 18th June was in Araria, 22nd June in Siwan, 23rd June Motihari, 27th June Kishanganj, and 28th June another bridge falls in Madhubani. Obviously this under construction bridge falling has turned into a massive slugfest political war of words between Tejasvi Yadav, the opposition, and of course the ruling government there in Bihar.
All right. Thank you, Meenakshi, for that update, highlighting the several instances of bridge collapses that has been reported in the last few weeks alone. Here is Tejasvi Yadav, who is now taking on Nitish Kumar and Sarkar, saying that several of those instances that have been reported, चाहे वो मधुबनी क्यों ना हो, सुपौल के बीच में बताया जा रहा था, even when it comes to bridges which are under construction, he's saying बूझो तो जाने आखिरकार क्या पता लग पा रहा है when it comes to the collapse of bridges that have been reported in the state of Bihar. So under construction bridge that we are getting the latest images is from Madhubani in Bihar that is being reported. अगर साकेत जांच के तो आदेश दे दी जाती है, लेकिन उसके बाद जांच में निकल कर क्या आता है?
देखिए, ये बड़ा सवाल है क्योंकि भ्रष्टाचार निश्चित तौर पर हुआ है, इसी वजह से पुल गिर रहा है और कोई वजह नहीं है. हालांकि एक चीज और है जिस पर ध्यान देना होगा कि जो नेपाल के सटे हुए ये तमाम इलाके हैं और नेपाल में भारी बारिश हो रही है, इस वजह से जो नदियां हैं जो नेपाल से कनेक्टेड है उसमें पानी का बहाव तेज हुआ है. इससे इनकार नहीं किया जा सकता है और इस वजह से अभी अगर बरसात के समय में कोई पुल का निर्माण होता है तो वो काम होना भी नहीं चाहिए, बरसात के पहले या बाद में इसे कंप्लीट कर लेना चाहिए, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता है. बरसात के दौरान भी ये काम चलता है और इसका खामियाजा उठाना पड़ता है. अब एक एक बिंदु पे जो जांच है वो विभाग कर रहा है और आगे कार्रवाई भी करने का आश्वासन विभाग की तरफ से मिल रहा है, लेकिन इससे पहले भी
Siwan, Araria, Madhubani, and these are the 3 instances alone, but what is being said, at least 5 instances of bridge collapse have been reported in this 1 month alone.